Up next, Greenstrawberry Viper Mark II PE set. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another Modeler's Tube video. So today we're going to take a look at Greenstrawberry's Viper Mark II 1/72nd scale upgrade set, which is right over here, this little guy. And as always, I'd like to thank Lucas for sending over the set so we could check it out and show you what's in the detail set itself. Go to their site, greenstrawberry.cz, and the link is right here, and it'll be in the description below too, so you can go check out all the products they have over there. And if you're interested in something, pick it up. Great detail sets, quick shipping, good prices, all that good stuff. So enough out of me. Let's get over to the bench and open this guy up. This is the Greenstrawberry 1/72nd scale Colonial Viper Mark II detail set for the Mobius kit, and it's kit number 04818-172. If you're interested, go over to Greenstrawberry and actually just click on the drop down and you'll find Battlestar Galactica stuff there, and you can pick it up. So as usual, it comes in the hard cardboard backing. It's got the cellophane with the pull open tab on the back. So let's rip into this guy and show you what's in here. As always, let's start off with the instruction sheet, and as usual, it starts off with what's in the kit itself, the icons to let you know what they mean while you're looking, and then it goes right into the instructions, starting with the instrumentation panels, going through the instrumentation panels, how to use the little plastic cutouts, and there's a lot for the interior on this. Also for the cockpit itself with seat belts, more instrumentation, the little rings for inside the nozzles of the engines. Then you have piping, some details for the side of the ship. The landing bay area has more detail, and also for the hatch of the cockpit. So let's show you the PE set and the pieces it comes with. Okay, first up is the small piece of paper, and these are the remove before flight tags. You could cut all these little suckers out and put it on the ship wherever you want. You'll get a better view of these in the slideshow later on. And here's a very tiny sheet with the instrumentation cluster on it. This will be able to be lit up from behind so you can see everything that's on there. It's hard to see because it's so small, but if you notice, there's double of the same thing, and I'm pretty sure the Viper Mark IIs in 1/72nd scale come with 2 kits, so you'll be able to make both kits with this one PE set. And here's the PE sheet for the Viper Mark II, and like I was saying before, Greenstrawberry doesn't mess around. These kits usually come with 2 1/72nd scale Viper Mark IIs, and you have 2 PE sets exactly the same. This way you can build up both of them with PE instead of just building one, and you also have 2 different versions for earlier in the show and then in season 3. So you have the hatch parts over here. This way you can make the hatch look a little better. For the nose, you have interior parts, the nozzles over here for inside the nozzles, tiny little seat belts, instrumentation, 2 instrumentation panels, so you can either pick earlier season or later season. Then some more clusters over here, piping for the engines, and there's some for the side of the ship, which is over here, these tiny little guys. So some of this stuff is really tiny, like over here, so you're going to have to be careful when you cut it off. You don't want it going flying and getting eaten up by the carpet monster. So these are the 2 sheets that come with the kit. This way you can build up both of your 1/72nd scale Vipers, but like I always do, it's kind of hard to see on the sheet while I'm showing you. I'm going to go through a slideshow and show you how the PE looks on the kit itself. So let's go through a quick slideshow and show you all the pieces that come in the Viper Mark II Greenstrawberry 1/72nd scale kit. Here you'll see the PE set, the double set, one for each Viper. Also the instrumentation clusters that can be lit up if you want to light that small guy up, and also the remove before flight tags. In this photo you can see the piping on the side of the engines, you can see the PE on top of the hatch for the cockpit, and you can also see PE up the front of the nose and also in the cockpit itself. In this photo is the photo etch for the cockpit. You can see the seat belts, instrumentation on the sides, and also the instrumentation cluster up front that you can choose from the earlier version or a season 3 version depending on how you want to build it. And you also have 2 in the kit, so you can build both versions at the same time. In this photo, you can see the PE running up the side of the fuselage and also the PE on top of the canopy for the cockpit. And also you can see a little bit of the piping on the rear by the engines. In this picture, you can see the engine nozzles, and you can also see the rings inside them and the little piece of PE in between the engines. And you can see how much more detail that adds to the engines themselves compared to nothing inside them at all. Here's a picture of the landing gear bays. A little added PE in there, and also you can see a little PE up the side. Well, that's it for this unpackaging of Greenstrawberry's Viper Mark II PE set. If you're interested in this product, please go to greenstrawberry.cz, go pick it up and add on to that 1/72nd scale kit you have. It's definitely going to add some more dimension to your kit because it looks like a few things are plain on the kit itself. I really haven't seen it up close, and if anybody's lighting up one of those small 1/72nd scale Vipers, I'd like to check it out. Send me a link or something to your video or your pictures. Thank you, everybody, and thanks again to Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending over the product. And now on to the Modeler's Tube pitch. If you haven't yet, come over to modelerstube.com, register, start your own channel, either import or upload your own videos to the channel and share them with the community. Help us grow. If you have any questions or comments, just throw them in the comments section below and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. And as always, remember, since it's on Modeler's Tube, I don't get that instant notification, so it's going to take me a little bit to get back to you. Thanks again, everybody, for stopping by. I hope you all have a great night. We'll see you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye.